Hi, want to know how to set up Fingerprint on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open Settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab, name of which is Security and Privacy. Click on it and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, which is named Device Unlock. Click on it and here scroll down. Then click on this tab named Fingerprint and Face Unlock and then enter your PIN code to continue. Now here we would need to choose ways to unlock and I would like to choose fingerprint unlock. So let's click on it. Here click more, and I agree. Then as a next step here you can see that the fingerprint sensor is on your screen. You'll capture your fingerprint on the next screen. So let's click start. Now we would need to put our finger on this circle and now lift and then touch until you can see that this circle will reach its end. So we would need to slightly change the position of our finger, but we still put it on our screen and then release it. Now let's do it until the end. And this is it. As you can see, we have successfully added our fingerprint. Now we can click done. And this is it. Let's test it how it works. I'll turn off my phone and then wake it up and put my finger on this sensor. And this is it. I have easily unlocked my phone. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.